Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Umentri ketanat Pule Puthi jangka sarkar jilla Rakkam e Sangma ulaya tho baya ka baibam na nika scholarship jangki Samla Pule on sepelat no Hapoh Taïew AA. Haka jangka kren baiklat pathai kubor usangma ulaong. Baya ka post matric scholarship kedai ke bala Beijing arab kandai 4% deka Ministry of Tribal Affairs jangka sarkar India kat baya ka basa ka 10% lebih deka sarkar jilla. Ulaya thoru tangshu pelat pisa ke ministry ke sarkar jilla kan sepelat no mardo reka pisa ban sapa syaki bank account jangki Samla Pule.
This post-matric scholarship is a sponsored as a 90-10 pattern from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs Government of India. So from the state government, all the due process has been completed, and we have sent our UCs also, and we are expecting the first installment to be released in next 1 or 2 weeks. And as soon as we get the release from the ministry, we will immediately work out to transfer to the students' account. This is the issue. And number two, since last year, there are many the complaints requests has been received that many students has not received the scholarship, maybe due to various reasons. So in last Friday, our officers had a meeting with the banks, with the managers, with the different banks, and we have instructed the banks to give us all the complexities or the issues with regards to their bank account, because many of the students' banks account, the account number incorrect, the IBC code is correct, some issue with the bank, some some updatation is not has been so we have requested the bank to give all this information, and so that we can intimate to the concerned students. This is status as of now, and we are expecting to complete the process in next 2-3 weeks.